Hello everyone. Welcome to KMIT Solutions Services. My name is Raman. In this lecture, I just want to discuss about lab requirement. I will be using Vagrant to create build server, Docker server, Kubernetes, Jenkins, etc. But if you don't have the enough space, then you can use some other methods also. So Vagrant is basically, it is a tool with the help of the Vagrant file and Vagrant boxes, we can create our virtual machines very quickly and we can provision it. So if you are doing a practice, then Vagrant is a best option. So for this DevOps project, we are minimum going to create 6 machines. And these machines will be Ubuntu based machines. So I would suggest that if you are having around 8 GB RAM and you can provision 2 CPUs and spaces around 500 GB, then you will not face any problem related to Vagrant installation or these virtual machines provisioning on VirtualBox. So I will be using Vagrant along with the VirtualBox. Now, next thing is that if your system does not have this kind of configuration, so then you can go with the other options, which is AWS or Azure or Google Cloud. Or if you are having any other infrastructure where you can create these virtual machines, you can go with that also. It is only a matter of the infrastructure. Otherwise, whatever the commands I'm going to run, you can also run those commands if you create the virtual machines on AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, right? So AWS, you can go with the free tier account, which is 12 months free for creating the virtual machines. There is a limit, like you can use 750 hours per month for the virtual machine, and there is a 30 GB space limit also. With the limit, you can create that virtual machines. But these are on the cloud-based environment. So if you don't stop your virtual machine or if you don't handle it properly, so you may get some charges. That is why I have opted Vagrant as my lab infrastructure. You can use Azure also if you want to use. So in Azure, it is $200, which is free of cost, and that will be credited into your account. That is USD dollars. So there you can create your virtual machines. That will be sufficient for our lab requirement point of view. So with the free tier, you can use this Azure account also. Okay, but I would suggest that go with the Vagrant. It will give you the flexibility to create the virtual machine. You make your hands dirty to create the network, execute the scripts, and so many things we can do when we are using Vagrant, right? So that part I just wanted to discuss with you about Vagrant and the other platform. So it's totally up to you which platform you want to use. You can go with that. You just need to have those Ubuntu machines. I'm going to use Ubuntu 22.04 version. So those machines you can create in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Okay. So in next lecture, I'm going to create a virtual machine for the build server, means for Maven. Okay, so stay tuned, and we will meet in the next lecture, and we will see how we can create a virtual machine by using Vagrant. Thank you very much for watching.